yeah, we're getting the motor room complete and got our batteries up here that we're going to be putting down in the motor room. And once this thing gets a bath, it'll be real nice. Show you guys the batteries. Those are the ones that we built. Be posting a video on that soon. And well guys, this project has started. These floors are no good. Gotta start taking the ladder down, get all this ripped up, cut through, and re-fiberglass. And here's the aftermath. Piles of wet, soaked, and rotten wood. And it's been sitting in the barn for the last 15 years and never got to dry.
That's crazy. Crazy.
Was a successful day at the boat. We got our water tanks back in. Took them out, cleaned them. That was fun.
Leaks.
Yep, checked for leaks. That was fun. This has been a fun project. We put in all new cedar boards that were actually in a lake for 50 years, or however long. Got it strong. We'll be coming back and putting in the new deck. Well, back to the boat again. So lately, we took water tanks out, cleaned them, put them back in while we had this off. Now, we have braced up the flooring and we kept the curve of the boat. And now we have cut and epoxy the flooring, put 2 pieces of fiberglass down. Now we are cutting these to fit. This is a honeycomb material that's way lighter than plywood. So, getting it done. Moral support.
Moral support.
Got all these fitted. Pretty nice. Came out good. Made some tongue and groove blocking parts. Give it that extra strength. It's time to clean up and start laying some glue. Ciao.
Look at this. We are back making this old boat great again. Got my right-hand man. He's doing that side. Look at that. That side wasn't rotten, but we had to tear it all out because we want it to match when we're done. So this side was pretty rotten. For a boat that had 900 hours on it, it's crazy that we had to do this much work, which is fine. But here we are, making this boat great again at the barn. Ciao.